So your server, it comes with one of these, a normal magnetic hard disk drive, that's fine. So what you do is you buy a nice quick solid state drive, great, and you take a Linux bootable USB and use DD command to clone that drive to there. Great, and then you go to put it in your server. And then that's where you suddenly realise, ah, sugar. It's full size. Cradles. And you've got an SSD drive which comes in a smaller size. Sure, they'll have probably got a cradle which is going to cost stupid amounts to buy. And then you suddenly realise you got a 3D printer. And you download one of these bad boys. A cradle adapter. Look at that. And then you put it in. You try. Oh, look at that. I'll level with you. I kind of find that a bit erotic that you can do that. Love these things. I'll put a link in the description to the model because that's pretty cool.